Okay, I know it was a little rushed on the last one, so I'm just redoing number 4 here for you. So, since I'm working on the closed interval from 0 to 1, keep in mind these are my domain, these are x's. So I want to see what the y values are for those at the ends. And so I'm just going to plug them in. So here I plugged in 0 and I get -2 for y value, and here I plugged in 1 and I get 2 for y value. So I graphed them. So at 0 I have -2. You can see I've graphed it. And at 1 I have +2. And so since I know that this is continuous over the interval, and I'm trying to show that there's a 0, I remember that a 0 is an x-intercept. So by intermediate value theorem, it says that if f is continuous, so if f is continuous, then by the intermediate value theorem, 0 lives between -2 and 2. Remember, these are y values. And so f of x equals 0 for some x in 0 to 1. Ow, that hurt my face. Ooh, I got a tattoo. Isn't that cool? Look, I'm number 1. And of course I can see right here that I actually did cross over the x-axis, so I actually have a 0 there. And then in order to find out what it actually is, I'm going to use the graphing calculator. So I would put this function into y1 and then use it, do second calc. So second calc, and then choose 0. And remember, the hamster is going to ask you a bunch of questions, so you have to be to the left of it, and then you have to be to the right of it, and then they're going to ask you to take a guess, and you say no, and then it'll tell you what the actual x-intercept value is, which should be 0.596. So if I want to have an interval of length 0.1, that means I'm going to want to be around it. So I'm going to want to go 0.05 to the left of that and 0.05 to the right of it. So if I go 0.05 to the left, I'd have to subtract 0.05. So that would give me 0.546, I believe. Check my subtraction. And if I go 0.05 to the right, I'd have to add 0.05 to it. So I'd have 0.646, I believe. Check my addition. And so there's my interval. This one was minus 0.05. And this one was plus 0.05 from that exact value. And that would be a calculator question anyway, so it would be fine for you to use your graphing calculator. Okay, section 1.4b is now complete. And the crowd goes wild. Yay, yay!